AMD's moved nearly 20% in the past 2 days after already running nearly 50% in the past month with no earnings report. I've been holding this position for almost 5 years now, just letting Lisa cook, but I had to see what the hell was happening. Here's what I found. Since their February earnings, AMD has secured a string of multi-billion-dollar contracts with Meta, the French government, the US Department of Energy. Several Mag 7 companies have also reaffirmed their support for AMD products. And the narrative of AMD taking market share from NVDA in the AI infrastructure market is no longer just a thesis. It's showing up in the contracts. But the most interesting signals aren't coming from AMD. Other industry players like ASML and TSMC have already reported earnings and confirmed that AI demand remains structurally strong. Then Intel CEO said something critically important on their April 23rd earnings call. CPUs are an indispensable foundation of the AI era. Intel confirms CPU demand is outstripping supply, directly causing the 7% jump in after-hour trading. AMD has been systematically taking share from Intel in the CPU market, and after Intel's commentary on their own CPU demand, the markets are expecting a similar story for AMD during their earnings. And here's the macro layer people aren't connecting. Global uncertainty is still highly elevated, but capital still needs to be invested. And semiconductors are a highly attractive choice, insulated from a lot of this uncertainty. The existing story for insatiable demand has been proven true on these earnings calls, making investors feeling more comfortable about placing their bets for at least the next few months. The business case is genuinely strong, and AMD has a real shot of justifying the price they've gotten to. But after a 55% rally, most of the good news is probably priced in. The risk of AMD not clearing Wall Street's elevated expectations is now much higher. And at this price, your margin of safety is much thinner. I'm currently holding, not adding, not selling. And if you're not in yet, I personally wouldn't enter here. See you in the next one.